Guys, it's me Sebastian and I'm gonna play Jailbreak. Don't forget to like me and subscribe me for more videos. And we will be trying to escape the prison. So I think it will be very fun because someone suggested this. To play Jailbreak, so I did it. So I don't know what to do. Oh. It literally just says do not punch. Okay. Come on. My battery is low. Yes. Just going to try and escape prison for now. Okay. So that's actually it. Don't forget to like me and subscribe me for more videos.